G'day tradies, my name's Jamie Graham. Welcome to another What Tradies Want Tradie Tough Test. Check out these bad boys. We got not one, two, but three awesome soldering irons here from Tradeflame. It's their new range and we've got some awesome features including high performance design. It's extremely ergonomic. We've got an extensive range which will suit all user levels. We've got high quality materials, optimized controls, which is all going to add up to increased ease of use. So in this review, we're going to be taking a look at three of the range, including the dual power 50 to 100 watt, 240 volt. We've got the rechargeable portable lithium ion 4.2 volt, 12 watt, and then lastly we've got the 240 volt, 18 watt variable temperature soldering iron. So there's a bit of a mouthful for you. All of these have got some fantastic features, so why don't we delve in right now? We'll check out the range in full and we'll share some of this goodness. I thought to start with, we'd check out this 4.2 volt, 12 watt rechargeable lithium ion soldering iron. So this little bad boy is producing a max temp of 480 degrees Celsius, so that's got a pile of heat. It feels really good on the hand and it's only taking 2 minutes to reach its max temperature. So with the 2600 mAh battery, you're going to get up to 45 minutes constant work time and it's going to recharge in 2 hours via the USB-C connection on the back there. So this is going to be perfect for your tradies or your DIY guys or your hobbyists that are looking for a really user-friendly, quick tool that can do some really great little solders. So it's hitting its max temperature of 480 degrees Celsius in 2 minutes, and just after 36 seconds, it's already well up over 300 degrees. It's sporting a great little anti-roll design and it's got a little LED work light just in there on the base of the tip there. So it's going to illuminate your work. If you're working in dark spaces, you're going to love this little guy. Just a user-friendly, great little soldering iron. So next we're going to move on to the 240 volt, 18 watt variable temperature soldering iron. So the first thing that really jumped out for me on this one was the little LED screen. So it's basically got an adjustable temperature. It's got some different modes. You've got fast mode and you've also got precise modes. You'll love the vibration motion sensor and energy saving mode. So the energy saving mode kicks in after 15 minutes of inactivity and it reduces the temperature down to 200 degrees. So there's also an auto shut off after 30 minutes of inactivity and also a calibration mode. So the long life conical tip here is a great feature that seems to be carried across all three of the different solderers, but being the first of the 240 volt solderers in this test, this unit really does mean business. It's covering a really broad temperature range from 250 degrees all the way up to 480 degrees and basically it goes from 0 to 350 in a minute 20. So we've got a really great little ergonomically designed handle here and the unit did a really good job at those materials that needed higher temperature. So I have to say this was probably my favourite out of the test so far, basically just because, you know, I love being able to dial that temperature up specifically to exactly what you want with the LED display there. This one's top shelf. So for our third and final soldering iron, we're going to be checking out this little beauty here. It's the 240 volt dual power 50 watt to 100 watt soldering iron. So the beauty of this particular product is the fact that the dual 50 to 100 watt soldering iron has the two settings, which allows you to choose the temperature range which is closest to the material or the requirements that you have for the particular project. So with mode 1, we're producing a max temp of 450 degrees Celsius, but mode 2 is actually pumping out a massive 560 degrees Celsius. So you've got some good flexibility there, going from 0 to 350 degrees Celsius in basically 2.5 minutes, and max temperature of 560 is achieved in 13 minutes. So on board as well is a great little LED light which will illuminate your work area or your project that you're working on. So as well as that, we've got an LED power indicator, which is excellent for safety as well. So tradies, there you have it. The Tradeflame range of soldering irons has definitely impressed. I think some of the standout features for me were the really quick heating times. The max temperatures were right up there, and this is going to be great for anyone from your tradies all the way through to your DIY guys or your hobbyists. Make sure you check out the range next time you're in store. Look guys, that pretty much wraps things up, so make sure you take really good care of each other. Check out the Tradeflame range next time you're in store. Till next time, take good care and stay safe.